Hey guys. Okay, so although I've been told not to coddle anybody and let everybody figure this out for themselves, but for the absolute beginners, so it doesn't feel like you're just lost in space, I'm going to create this video teaching you how to create your EC2 instance and then log into it through your terminal. So the first thing we're going to do, we have EC2 here, but I'm going to go straight for those who haven't done it before. Just click on search, type in EC2, and then you click on EC2. So EC2 is basically AWS's name for their servers. So it's your server in the cloud. And then you click on launch instance. So we want to create one server and we want to create an Ubuntu server for our project. So I'm going to name this test. Click on Ubuntu. All this has already been done in the documentation, but for those who wouldn't understand how to go from here to logging into it on your terminal, although there's a video there, but it's a GIF, so no sound. I just want to make this so there's no confusion. You scroll down, create new key pair. So I feel like this is where the person who complained about not being able to get into his server through the terminal, this is where he made a mistake, or this is where he had an issue. So your key pair is basically what would grant you access to your terminal. So after downloading this key pair, you're going to have to open your terminal where your key pair was downloaded. So if your key pair is downloaded to your download folder, that is where you open your terminal. If you open your terminal in a different folder and you try accessing your EC2 instance, you're not going to have access. You get access denied. So it has to be exactly where your key pair is. The key pair is what will grant you access to your EC2 instance. So let me create my key pair now. This will be test. It's going to be .pem, create key pair. Now it has been downloaded. Let me go to my download folder because that's where mine usually goes to. So you see it in my downloads folder, test.pm. Let's continue. Okay, so next I'm going to allow SSH traffic from anywhere. So SSH is secure shell. This is what lets me log into my server. So usually say SSH into your server and then allow HTTPS. This would allow you view your website after it has been deployed. Allow HTTP. Same thing. This is when it's secure. This is when it's not secure. So just allow this and allow this from anywhere. So anybody can access your website and be able to view what is there. Launch instance. Okay, yeah. So it has been launched. Click on instances, go back to your instance. Okay, my network was very bad, so I had to take a break for some hours. Alright, so the instance has been created. When you see 2/2 checks passed and running, then you know that yeah, it has been created. Sometimes you will see this running sign, but you won't see 2/2. So you know the resources that would run on that instance are still being configured. So now with 2/2 checks passed, everything is ready to go. So you click on this and then you go to connect. So under the SSH clients tab, you copy this command. So what you're going to do now is you would go to your download folder, which is probably where your .pem was sent to. This is mine, test.pem. Then you're going to right click and click on open in terminal. Now this folder has been opened in your terminal. and then you paste that command right here and press enter. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? You type yes and press enter again. And that's it. You are successfully in your Ubuntu server. Okay, so basically that's how you SSH into your Ubuntu server. So now I want to show you how to terminate your instance when you're done with it. So this is very important because if you leave it running, AWS has a certain amount of hours you're allowed to have an EC2 instance running a month. Because right now, if you just created your account, you're under the free tier. But if you exceed that allotted time, you start getting charged for your instance. So it's always good to terminate immediately after you use, in case you forget it's running for a while and then it's just there racking up costs until you get billed one day and you're seeing like 200 and something dollars for what you didn't use. So you click on instance states. Don't use stop, because stop only stops this instance. But there are some underlying processes that are running. Those ones will still keep running. So you need to terminate to completely delete it and delete everything that was spawned up while it was being created. So click on terminate instance, terminate, successfully terminated, and that's it. The instance is being terminated and all the resources that were spawned up while it was created are slowly being terminated one by one. When it's done, it's going to disappear from this place. So that's pretty much it. That is how you create your EC2 instance, SSH into it from your terminal, and terminate it when you're done. Bye, guys.